Kiranji, we should start now.
Should we start?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. I extend a very warm welcome to Colonel Seva Singh, as well as all the members from all the chapters of Dignity Foundation who have joined today with us, and the staff of Dignity Foundation. I'm Madhu Gaur from Magarpata City CM. I have been given the privilege of doing the anchoring today for this session. I would request everyone to please be muted all through the session. And in the end, we will open it for everyone for questions. A recorded version of the talk will be available to us later on. Thank you, everyone. And over to you, Kiranji. Kiranji? Kiranji, yeah. Please welcome the guest.
Madhuji.
Anji.
Hello.
You're welcoming the guest, Kiranji.
Everyone.
Yeah. Can't hear you, Kiranji.
He has to unmute.
Oh, yes, you have to unmute, Kiranji. Unmute yourself, yeah.
If I'm not audible.
No, you are not. You are on mute, Kiranji.
Gopalji.
Asthana ji, he wants to talk to you, Kiranji. Wants to talk to you, Asthana ji.
Hello.
हाँ किरण जी क्या हुआ?
किरण आप म्यूट है.
He has not unmuted.
I think that to everyone acknowledge me. You can start my or his lead from your side.
I'm calling Kiranji and finding out what is he saying.
Madam.
क्या हुआ?
Hello.
Mr. Kiran has to unmute.
Can unmute please?
मोबाइल से बोलो. मोबाइल से बोलो. मोबाइल से बोलो.
क्या हो रहा है?
Oh, sir, it is coming message. Kiran's bandwidth is very low.
Audible to everyone.
करो किरण को.
So, Asthana ji, you welcome the guest, will you?
Yeah. क्या हुआ? किरण जी बोल रही बात. मेरी आवाज आ रही है? मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी, आवाज आ रही है. बिल्कुल आवाज आ रही है.
On behalf of Dignity Foundation, I am privileged to welcome Colonel Seva Singh. Hello.
Yourself, mute. Everyone is requested to mute, except Asthana ji, please.
Yeah. It is my privilege to welcome Colonel Seva Singh today. He is a great exponent of yoga, very popular in India and now abroad also. He keeps on going to America, to Canada, to USA, and he has trained forces in Metropolitan Police in UK and in Canada also. And in India, he keeps on doing a lot of workshops on yoga. He has devised exclusive senior citizen module, which any age group people can do. Health is very important for us, sir, and at every stage of life, but especially at this particular stage, this is the first priority for us to maintain good health. And I think your yoga sessions will be able to help us in keeping healthy in mind and body both. Welcome to you, sir. I will request you to start now.
Over to Colonel.
Over to you, sir, Colonel, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thanks for welcome. I welcome all the senior citizens, and I am very thankful to first of all Sir Deepak ji, then Gopal ji and Kiran and you, sir, because of whom I am with you. I am very sure that I will do all the things, all the exercises which you will be able to do. First of all, I would like to know, can you hear me all?
Yes, we can. We can hear you. yeah.
Okay, it is clear, my video is clear?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's okay. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. Thank you.
At any stage, if you want to ask any question, you are welcome. This session will be in English as well as Hindi, both. It will be a mixture of English and Hindi for better understanding. So, yoga is a subject which everybody knows. You have been doing yoga from so many years. But I would like people in the sense, I request the people to mute those who are not participating, otherwise there will be a disturbance, or the host can do that needful. Because there was some disturbance. You should participate in this session very actively and ask the question at any stage. It is for you, it is not for me. It is not about me what I can do, it is what you should be able to do. First of all, everybody wants to know how we can keep ourselves functional fit. And that is, I have done a commando course, which is one of the most difficult course in the world, in fact. PT course, in which we were told how to keep ourselves physically fit. Then I have done a certificate course from Kurukshetra University also. And I have all the hard work experience of farming at my village when I was doing graduation and when I was in my teenage. So I have fair amount of experience, how I tried myself to keep myself fit. And moreover, I served in Indian Army, that is infantry. Infantry is one of the most arms to serve in army. So I have done all these things. And after seeing all these things, I have come to the conclusion that we require only 3 minutes sensible exercise, that is yogic exercise, if we know what sort of things we should do. And why we should do that one. Only just 3 minutes if we know the yoga, actual yoga. First of all, what is yoga? Yoga is to join with one thing with another. Like this, one hand, two hands, this is the joining of two hands. This is a yoga of two hands. Similarly, anyone who can say, when we are doing this in yoga, what we are joining? Normally, we are doing the exercises. What we are joining?
Body
Then we
and
must
mind.
know what.
Body and mind.
Haji?
Body and
Very
mind.
good.
Don't disturb.
Very good. Now the question comes, what is mind?
Mind is a collective of our
Unless-
experiences. It's a collection of
What
experiences.
is
Our thinking,
experience?
Mind
our
is the mind.
thinking.
It's a collection
Pardon?
of our experiences stored in our mind.
Awareness.
Okay. Awareness.
Intellect.
The most important thing is the mind. And we must know what is the definition of mind. Mind yoga is totally scientific. And scientific is that one which has some definition, which we can experience ourselves. Unless we have that one, we cannot proceed further. First, we want to join the body. Body is all the parts put together is a body. We can understand this is a body. All right. So second is mind. Mind is a thinking process.
Mind
Mind
is
is a
a
thinking
multiple
and ability of self-awareness and ability of consciousness, that is a mind. Now, you must be knowing what is psychology. Psychology was the study of, earlier it was told it is a study of soul. There was no definition of soul, then it rejected. Then it came, it is a study of mind. Mind, we know only about 10 to 15% about mind, 90% we don't know. So that was also rejected. Now it is a study of behavior, systematic behavior. That is a psychology. You see, soul was rejected, mind is rejected. Now it is a systematic study of behavior. So we get the result where we apply our mind. Now mind is supposed to be applied when we follow a system. This sentence you must register in your mind to understand this my scientific view. We get the result where we apply our mind. Mind is supposed to be applied when we follow a system. Now, for example, this we are applying our mind on the lines A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Those are the lines, the system. So we are formally educated. Now we want to put the mind onto our body. If you want to learn English, you must know alphabets A, B, C, D, like that. If you want to learn mathematics, you must learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you want to learn yoga, what we must learn? What is the ABC of yoga? Anyone? If we want to learn mathematics, we must learn 1, 2, 3. If we want to learn a language, we must learn the alphabets of that language. If we want to learn the yoga, what is the ABC?
Basic. Connecting to the universe.
Breathing control. Breathing we have to do.
No, basics first.
Control the mind.
Systematic breathing.
Control the mind. Control the mind.
What do you say?
Control.
Yoga. Let us first define whether you're talking about yoga or yoga. Yoga is a union of the Almighty, and yoga are the exercises or asanas which we conduct to keep our body fit.
Okay, that yoga and yoga is just a pronunciation.
Same. It's the same.
Yes,
yes. It's not the.
Ram and Rama. That is yoga and yoga. That is all. Otherwise, yoga is the same, to join Atma with Paramatma. But our aim is here to join the body and mind. We don't have the definition of Atma. We don't have definition of Paramatma. That is just different subject. We will be joining our body and the mind.
As asanas, yogic asanas. That is where the whole wrong conception has been given to the world. It is not yoga. It is yoga asanas is the right thing to put it. Otherwise, you go and have the definition meaning of yoga. Connecting us to Almighty.
Okay.
Through yoga, we can synchronize our mind and body.
But one I want to tell you one thing. I will tell you the definition which I will make you to you will realize this is a yoga or yoga, whatsoever you call. There is nothing. But anyone kindly count from this Palji, you count 1 to 20. आप 1 से 20 तक count करिए please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
And Madhuji, you kindly repeat this 1 to up to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, very good. The thing is, this is if you want to learn this thing, mathematics, you must learn the recitation part of it. And now we are joining our mind with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we want to join mind with our body, there should be a system where our body parts we must know. So, sir, Gopalji, you count any 20 body parts?
Yeah.
Head,
Toes, leg, calf muscles, knee, eyes, hips, buttock, stomach, hands, fingers, arms, shoulders, chest. Yeah,
Eyes,
Sound
nose,
difficult now.
mouth.
yeah, eyes and nose. Yeah,
Very difficult to
Eyes,
count some
nose,
parts.
ears.
eye, nose, ears.
Okay, okay, Gopalji. Now, may I request Madhuji to repeat all these body parts?
Yeah, it's my feet, the legs, the knees, the buttocks, the stomach, the hands, the fingers, then heart, lungs, eyes,
Brain.
yeah, throat,
Nose.
tongue, teeth.
Okay.
So we are not
Now,
practicing so far.
just stop. Have you recited in the same sequence as Gopalji has done?
No. Afasal.
No,
No sequence.
But-
No sequence.
not that sequence.
Yeah.
And 1 to 20, you did the same thing. 1 to 20, up to there was no difference.
Now from
Why?
head to leg.
We get the result where we apply our mind. Mind is supposed to be applied when we follow a system.
Concentration. Concentration.
That we
Good,
can
very
taught from
good,
our
very good.
childhood.
Concentration.
Childhood.
And if we want to join our body with the mind, there is no system. Nobody is teaching us system.
This the sound
Now-
is coming. There's no. It's not clear what you're saying.
Yeah.
There's too much disturbance. We can't hear clearly.
I am telling you, unless we follow a system,
You unmute.
unless we follow a system, we cannot apply our mind.
Voice is cut.
Breaking voice, are you?
My voice is, Madhuji, can't you hear me?
No, it
We
says
can
that
hear.
your, I mean, internet is unstable. Your internet connection is unstable. So
It's
we are
coming
not
in bits
hearing you
and
properly.
pieces.
My voice is cutting.
Yes,
Colonel, the first thing is that everybody is unmuted
network is
and
bad.
all are talking. So, in between there is disturbances. It is better you talk and later we will discuss. So it will be clear for
Okay.
us.
Yeah, that is
Okay, sir.
true. Now
Okay.
it looks that somebody has unmuted.
But-
Somebody has unmuted and then they have not muted again.
Everyone has to unmute.
Okay.
Please mute yourself.
Colonel's voice is cutting.
Okay.
I
My
am
request,
muting everyone, Colonel, then you will unmute yourself. I'll mute everyone.
Unmute everyone.
Okay.
Unmute everyone.
Mute everyone. And now you unmute yourself, Colonel. Thank you. No, you're not, still on mute, Colonel.
now can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay, Madhuji, you be unmute. I was telling you, okay, unless we we have the system, there is nothing to follow for our mind to follow.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3 is a system. Our mind is following 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 100. There is a system A, B, C, D till the time till the Z. But we have not made a system for our body parts in this system.
Right. Mhm.
Understood?
Yes.
Now second question you have given me answer whether recitation is first or writing is first. Madhuji,
Thinking is first and writing is later on.
later on. So I will tell you a system. You will have to remember it. Unless you remember it, you cannot write it. Is it?
Right. Mhm.
So I am going to tell you body parts in a sequence and you will remember it. Unless you remember it, I will not be able to tell you how to write it.
Right. True.
Everybody is ready?
Yes.
Everybody is ready? Remember it?
Yes, yes.
Eyes.
Okay. Now first is feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arms, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of the head. Pull up, massage your eyes, massage your face. Nothing rubbing, no rubbing. I am going to say it again and you will have to remember it. Learning yoga is as simple or as difficult as learning a language or learning in mathematics. If you know the alphabets of any language, it becomes very simple to learn that language. If you know 1, 2, 3, you can learn mathematics. If you learn this body part in a system, you are already in a yoga. Okay. Once again, I am going to recite it. Keep your eye closed. Feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arms, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of the head. Pull up. Massage your eyes, massage your face. Once again, close your eyes, feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arms, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of the head. Pull up, massage your eyes, massage your face. Okay. Before I request all the people to learn it by heart. By the time I will tell you a little bit some more things why we should know this all yoga and all. Okay. In between, you remember that one, feet, calf muscle, knee, thighs. This is L. L stands for life. We want to live. First thing. This life depends upon only one single factor, that is called action. More action, more life. No action, no life. Now we must do a thing in the morning which improves our action. What is that? This action depends upon three things. First is flexibility. More you are flexible, more you are in action. No flexibility, no action. The quality of life is very poor. Second is power. If our arm is flexible here and if there is no power, it cannot be lifted. So second thing is there should be power in our body. These two things are very important to improve the quality of our action. Firstly, the flexibility. I will tell you certain very simple exercises, yogic exercises, only of about 1.5 minutes, which will improve your flexibility. You are as flexible as your backbone is flexible. If your backbone is rigid, you are old. Why? This is our structure of body structure, and here is a brain controlling all the body part through the nerves which are going through our backbone. So once our backbone is becoming rigid, those nerves start getting poor connection from lower part to the brain and brain to the lower part. So first, most important, our requirement is we should keep our backbone flexible. I will tell you what are those exercises, how we should do it. Okay. Improve the flexibility. Second is the power. Where is the power generated in the body, Madhuji? I will be asking only one person so that for the purpose of other people, if everybody participates, then it becomes very difficult.
Power
Where
from
the
the
power
food.
is related in our body?
Food
Pardon?
from eat, what we are eating, food.
Yeah, food.
Food.
Then
Yes. Yes.
board only half visible. Blackboard.
Can't hear you. He is muted.
Sir.
Tell him to unmute himself, please.
Colonel Sevak Singh,
Okay.
Sevak Singh ji,
Okay.
you keep your
Haan ji.
mobile horizontal. You keep your mobile horizontal. Everybody can see totally, big one.
Yes, Colonel Ji. Yes, horizontal means we can see. Okay.
Like this? Is it
Yes,
okay?
better. Yeah, thank you. Yes.
It is better.
Okay.
It's better now.
Now what happens, we must know how the food helps us. If we know that one, then most of the things are solved. You see the board? This is our rough sketch of digestive system. Like this is a stomach, we put the fats, carbohydrates, proteins. There are peristaltic movement going on in our stomach. These churn this food, fats, carbohydrate, proteins, the fats are converted into fatty acid. This carbohydrate into glucose, proteins into amino acid. Plus oxygen. This goes to each and every cell of our body. This is a cell. This is a nucleus, cytoplasm. There is one thing called mitochondria. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. This makes ATP, adenosine triphosphate. More ATP in our cells, more we are bubbling with energy. So the thing comes here, we should improve our peristaltic movement in our stomach. How to do it? There is a simple exercise in the yoga. You know it, you have seen it. I will just show you, and I will request you to learn that first before going further. Because once the peristaltic movements are poor, then there is a poor digestive system. There is a constipation, gas formation, and we are lethargic, we are lazy. So first thing is we should improve our peristalsis movement to improve our power in our cells, that is adenosine triphosphate, CHNOP3. And that is only what we can do is improve our peristaltic movement. There is a digestive system exercise, yogic exercise, and you will be doing it. That this is what this one. I show you, and you will be doing it shortly. This is only 5-second exercise. How much?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. And once your peristalsis movement are good, you put the food that is churned properly in the digestive system, and it is converted into fatty acid, amino acid, glucose plus oxygen if your lungs are doing better, and your mitochondria changes into adenosine triphosphate. So this is called knowledge. This is ultimate. I know that most of you may not be able to do, but I will tell you, you can do another alternative which is equally good. That is Agnisar. Agnisar is like this. That will also Agnisar. वो भी ऐसा ही काम करेगा. That is this one. Only 4 times. Only 4 times, nothing more. मेरे योग में ज्यादा नहीं करना, जोर नहीं लगाना, आंखें बंद करके रखना है, और you will be marking your attendance as you go to the school, you take the admission. So I request each one of you stand up and do this exercise, please. Kindly stand up and do this exercise. Then I will tell you how to do it. If you will not be doing it, I will not be able to tell you. You do this exercise and I will tell you how to do it. Try it. Try it, please. Can you do it? Somebody is doing, somebody is not doing. This yoga, we have to do it. Okay. Some people are doing well, some are not doing. I will tell you how to do it now. Okay. Just see behind our chest के पीछे यहाँ there are lungs. They are filled with the air. Just first blow out. जैसे फूंक मारनी पहले. Blow out. The stomach will go back. Do just 4 strokes and that's all. Keep your eye closed. Now it is better. It is not doing like it. We will not be doing like this. It is not like that. It is a just blow out. जैसे गुब्बारे के बैलून में हवा भरा होता है, हवा बाहर निकाल दें, गुब्बारा अपने आप बैठ जाता है. Balloon. Once the air is out, balloon goes back. So just blow out first. Stomach go back. If you do this exercise, this is called Agni Saj. Only doing this exercise will improve your digestive system. Peristaltic movement will be better. And your food will be churned well. There will be no constipation, kabz nahi hoga, and no gas formation in the stomach. And you will be bubbling with energy from the day one. This exercise is just of 5 seconds is almost equal to 3 to 4 kilometers of walk. During walk, our legs are taking more part. Our stomach is not moving. हमारा पेट तो हिलता ही नहीं जब हम walk करते हैं. आपको 4-5 किलोमीटर वॉक करना पड़ेगा तब तक जाके आप एक्सरसाइज कर पाएंगे. ज्यादा नहीं करना. Just 4 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. If you have understood, just raise your hand. If you have understood. Okay, good. Now I proceed further. Anyone who can recite the body part so that we can go further. The rest without recitation, we cannot go further. I want to anyone who can new. Okay, who is highlight?
I will
Okay,
do.
please.
Knees, feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arms, shoulders, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheek, eyes, ears, forehead, head, and up hands. And then rub your face.
Very good. Excellent. 98% you have done. Well done. Only just, it is a pull-up. Massage your eyes, massage your face.
Massage your face.
Okay, well done. It is a very good. Gopalji, who recited it, I could not make out because I am on the mobile. I don't have the laptop or this thing, computer.
Nagam.
I also did it.
Very good, excellent.
Rita Bose.
I did it, Rita Bose.
Nagam.
Rita Bose too.
Rita Bose.
Okay. Only now one more and then I will tell you how to write it down. Once recitation is done, I will tell you how to write it.
Darshana, you did, no?
Senior. Pardon?
Darshana, she did it.
Only one more. I want one more. Who can kindly unmute yourself? Okay.
Calf muscle, knee, thigh, buttock, stomach, chest, chest, fingers, arms,
Some echo
arms,
is coming. Some echo is coming.
shoulders,
Some echo is coming.
chin, lip, nose, eyes, ears, forehead, head, upper
Okay.
head, upper hand, and
Okay. After this, I ask someone to make a group. I will send this recitation part in the group. Okay. I have done this thing. I have recorded. I will send to you. Okay.
Okay, Colonelji.
So somebody to make the Gopalji kindly make one group and add me, and I will send you in that group. Okay. Okay. I take it granted. Everybody has not learned it, but I take it you have learned it now. Okay. Feet, calf muscle, knee, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, finger, arm, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of that. Pull up, massage your eye, massage your face. Now, after learning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, unless you make an action, you cannot write it. You have to do an action. Action is life. How? This is a method to write 1. This is a method to write 2. This is a method to write 3. This is a method to write 4. But how to write onto the body? The thing is, you have to do the action. Now we will be doing. Once you are saying feet, just squeeze it and leave it. Feet, similarly calf, squeeze it, leave it. Then knee, squeeze it, leave it. Thigh, squeeze it, leave it. Hips, squeeze it, leave it. Like that. So once you are writing 1, you are not doing anything on 2. Once you are writing 2, you are not doing anything on 3. You are not doing anything on 1. You are only action on 2. So once you are squeezing feet, only feet, no calf muscle. Then only knee, no calf muscle, no thighs. Similarly, keep moving from lower part to up, feet, calf muscle, knee, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, finger, arm, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ear, forehead, top of that, pull up, massage your eye, massage your face. For example, I will just show you. This exercise to be done once you are getting up from the bed. Okay? Early in the morning, you are lying this like this. Can you see me? I think you can see my video. Starting from feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arm, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of the head. Pull up, massage your eyes, massage your face. Turn left, खड़े होकर blow out and do this exercise which we have done it. Blow out 4 times. That is all. With this, what happens during our sleep? Our mind keep running throughout universe. We don't know where we are roaming around. Our mind where is going. Once we are trying to get up early in the morning, bring your mind onto your feet. Squeeze the feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, like that. And after that, turning left, stand up on your feet, blow out, do this Agnisar. We must do the exercise which we can do at the age of 80, 90, even 100 plus. What happens? We have been doing the exercise, very hard exercises, when we were 20s, 30s, 40s, but we are not doing that one now. So what is the use of those exercises? Once we are young enough, let us, we are in 50s, 60s, 70s. Start learning the exercise will you expect you will be able to do at the age of 90, 100. So you become expert. This feet calf muscle and squeezing, releasing, it will ensure the action in the individual part of your body. There will be a better circulation, better carrying of fatty acid, amino acid, glucose, plus oxygen going to the mitochondria. Mitochondria will be converting it into adenosine triphosphate. So this is the smallest and most practical exercise which we will be even doing when we are dying. But at the last day, if we are have conscious, if our aware of our mind, body and mind, you will be joining your body and mind together. You will be more strengthened. Like these fingers, they are open, they don't have any power. Once they are joined together, they become powerful. Similarly, once you learn or practice this thing, feet, calf muscle, knees in this way, your body and mind is together. Ultimately, you may be able to find out what is soul, what is Atma, what is Paramatma. You may be able to join Atma with Paramatma, which our Patanjali ji gave the definition of yoga to join Atma with Paramatma. This exercise is scientifically how to join body with the mind, and it will ensure you functional fit within your genetic limits. There are genetic limits. There is the age of every cell. After that, we can't do anything. But till the time our cells are healthy, they are functional. They are till the time we can make ourselves functional fit with this exercise, and it will give us confidence. This is the first exercise, and after doing this, you will be marking done, D-O-N-E, on the group. Once we will make the Gopalji will making the group, and done mean you have done it. Anything which is not checked, it is not done. It is not done. So once you do your exercise, this is a self-start yoga. If you cannot recitize, you can't do the recitation and activation of the body, further exercise will be of no use. We have been doing a lot of exercise, but only thing, lack of practice. And this is the only practical way of doing the exercise, recitation, and after that, I will tell you further also okay, how to do it. Now, if you have the mats, lie down on your mats. I will give the instruction from here. You will be doing the similar exercise which I've just done it, and you will realize it better. Yoga is more practical than your theory. Okay, kindly lie down. Kindly lie down on your mats or on your bed. Or if you don't have bed or mat, you just sit down in your chair or in sofa, wherever you are. Keep your eye closed, and I will give you instructions. Okay, keep your eye closed.
What about the breath? What do we do with breath?
Pardon?
The breathing, the breath, what should we do with the breath?
You don't do anything with the breath. You just learn. Breath is the last fourth part of the yoga. Let us learn the recitation of the body part because body parts are the alphabets. Understanding respiration and all, it is later on. I will let you know that on also. You just feet calm. You just lie down. Keep your eye closed. Feel as you are getting up from the bed. Okay. I am also lying down. Keep your eye closed. Feet. Squeeze your feet. Calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arms, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of the head. Pull up, massage your eyes, massage your face, turn left, up. Bend on your knees like this. Blow out and do up and down of your stomach. Okay. This is only 25-second exercise. How much? and after that, you will be marking your attendance as a done. I tell you, I have been doing this exercise from the last about 4 or 5 years. Earlier, I was doing all other hard exercise of yoga. That was not of much use. Now I tell you, I can do all the hard exercise also. I will show you, but that you will not be doing it. Okay? And if you learn this exercise, I tell you why I'm telling you flexibility. When I was about 35, 40, I could not sit down like this, as I'm sitting now, like this. Now, after following this system, I can do this one. Easily, I can sit down like this. There's no problem. But you don't try it, those who can't do it. I can do this one also now. Doing like this, very easily without any. This one. Baddha Padmasana. Similarly, what you have seen that I told you that I will tell you 3 minutes scientific. It is all 3 minutes, whether it is the advance or it is a beginning. For you, this 20-second exercise is to start with. If we cannot do this one, if we cannot recite ABC, 1, 2, 3, we cannot proceed further. So similarly, after learning these alphabets, what I have done, I can do now advanced exercise, which I am just going to show you. But you will not be doing this one. This is just for you that you can achieve this standard if you learn these alphabets. Like this. First is a Sarangasana. Second is a Halasana. The other is this Matsyasana. Fishasana बोलते हैं और Paschimottanasana. Then it is a Cobra Asana. Then the Dhanurasana. This is all ensuring your flexibility of the backbone. This is Ardha Matsyendrasana. Then this one is a Mayurasana. Balance on your arm. Then is a headstand like this. On the head. And do this. But this Padmasana. In the last, you do this one, Nollie. This is a just 2.5 minute exercise. I do this one, that is all. Similarly, I know that most of you may not be able to do it. That is how I started from here and reached here. I told you, when I was 35, I could not sit down like this. My joints, they were very stiff. Now the flexibility has come, starting from this feet calf muscle. So, anyone who can show me this thing, feet calf muscles exercise, which I told you, we will be doing practical also. Anyone? Okay, Narinder Joshi, good.
Rajappa. Our Guru
Okay.
Rajappa can do that in Chennai.
Okay, one.
Rajappa.
You will be doing this feet, calf muscle, knees wala, not this one. Feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips. Kindly
Very
highlight. Kapal ji unko highlight kar dena.
Who is doing?
Rajappa.
No, Narendra Joshi. Narendra Joshi.
I am Srikanth. I am doing it.
Okay, feet, calf muscle. We should be able to listen to this thing. Feet, calf muscle. Good. Unmute yourself.
Unmute mode.
Yes, unmuted.
Gopal ji, kindly. Yes. Feet. We can't see you. Okay. Somebody, Gopal ji, can you highlight him?
Please put him on spotlight. We can't see.
We can't see.
Shrikant Vanhali ji, yeah.
Put him on spotlight.
Madhu ji,
Okay,
kindly
I will
put him.
spotlight. Yeah, okay, I will.
I don't want him to do hard exercise, only this feet, calf muscle, knees, simple exercise. I request only all the people to do only feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips exercise, not more than that. Then I will tell you how to proceed further.
Yes, Shrikant ji, yes, sir.
No, we could not see.
Can you see me?
Yeah, we can, yeah, can you repeat it? Yeah, yes, okay.
Can you see me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Padmasana.
Shrikant ji, I am not asking this exercise. I am asking that feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, not this exercise.
Okay. Okay.
First exercise, that is a feet, calf muscle. That is our purview, not this one. This is an advanced exercise. Everybody can't do it. I don't recommend these exercise to all.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So are you sure it, Shrikant ji?
Okay. Okay, we proceed further. No, anybody else who can do it?
No, Shrikant ji is showing it, yeah. Are you showing it? No, he is out of the screen.
Those
You are
exercises.
on the screen, please.
Your
Come.
first is your recitation part. Recitation part. Feet, calf muscle, knees.
Feet, calf.
He's not able to understand what you are telling. That's the problem. He's going on
He-
doing the asanas. Sir.
No.
You can understand me what I am telling you? Hello. Can you understand what I am telling you? Feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, finger, arm, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ear, forehead.
Okay. I am not doing it. I am not doing
Your
it.
face. So
Okay.
simple.
So simple for you, but for us difficult.
Sir, please tell little slowly.
Yeah.
Okay. Lie down, everyone. Lie down, everyone, first, if you want to learn. Lie down, everyone. Lie down on your back.
Lie down.
lie आपकी बैक के ऊपर पीठ के बल लेट जाएं, आंखें बंद करें. Keep listening. Keep your eye closed. Feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arms, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of the head. Pull up, take the arms up, pull up, massage your eyes, massage your face, turn left, up on your feet, खड़े हो जाएं. Keep the hands on your knees like this and blow out, do for stomach. That is all. This is the first exercise. You know, first day a child go to school, how much is told? He's told, you just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Sit down, please. This is the first.
Sir, excuse me, I have a question.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kindly highlight who's having questions so that I can see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who's asking?
Suguna, yeah.
Saguna Ramaprasad, you please highlight Madhuji.
Kiran, who's speaking?
Saguna Ramaprasad, you please highlight her face.
Okay, I will. Saguna Ramaprasad.
Yeah. Sir, how to concentrate on the ears? On the ears, it is
Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Very good. You just keep moving. Keep moving. Don't bother about it whether it is moving or not moving. Our mind has हमारा mind जो बहुत सारे बहानाबाजी ढूंढता है, बोलता ये नहीं मैं कर सकता. But you must have seen certain people, they are moving it. I can't also move it, but I am just, this is a system. This is a system. You keep moving. Don't worry about it. Never stop. I tell you one thing. Once we are writing only once. We write down 1, then 2. We are not stopping on 2. We are not stopping on 3. We are not stopping on 4. We keep moving. We are not writing like this 1. We are not writing this writing. We just do one action and keep moving. So, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. No stoppage. No stoppage at all. So, you keep moving from feet, calf muscle, knees, like this. You will not stop anywhere. In this universe, there is nothing which is static. Electron, neutron, proton, matter, earth, sun, moon, galaxies, intergalaxies, universe, everything is on. Or your mind, it is a much subtle than even this thing. Very small. Mind is not, we can't, it don't have materialistic value. So we want to stop it. We can slow it down. It is a synchronization of body and mind activity. The moment you try to stop it, things gone for 6. You can't stop your mind. It is just keep moving. You can slow down it. Just fingers, arms, shoulder, individual part you will be squeezing and releasing it. It is a
Unmute
no
your-
stoppage.
Saying something. Unmute.
At any. Pardon?
I have one more question. And that is,
okay,
the order in the face. Are you supposed to follow that order? Or can we do the lips and then the ears and then the nose? Or is it the same order?
No, you have to No, same order 1, 2, 3. You cannot 1, 5, 8, 9. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The moment you say 1, 3, you got a slap from your teacher or your parents.
Okay. So can you repeat
So
again?
you have to be,
Can
you
you
have to
repeat?
be Leek ka Fakir.
Okay. Can you
Pardon?
repeat after the neck slowly, please? Once after the neck.
No, can you send it by
I will
mail?
repeating 100 times slowly. Now this is a slow. Now just listen carefully. Feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arms, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of the head, pull up, massage your eyes, massage your face.
Thank you.
Then turn left, khade hoka, Agni Sar. This is just 20-second
Sukuna
exercise.
madam, can you send it
Early in the
by
morning.
group?
Pardon?
Sukuna madam can send it by group. She had noted down, no?
Yeah. I will send it to Kiran. I think Kiran can help you all.
Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
please, we need it. We need it.
We need it. Yeah.
Actually, we are recording it so we can see.
Or I can take a
So-
photograph and put it on the chat.
Chat,
No.
very good.
Yeah, that will be much better. Please do that, please.
Yeah.
Please.
No, you
That's
send it
okay.
to our,
After
Chennai head.
arms,
We can
shoulder,
copy
is
it down, please.
you send it to Chennai head, she will circulate it to us.
Okay,
After
I request
shoulder.
add me in your group and I will send you a recitation.
Yes.
That is the best.
Yes.
You add my
I want to join.
or-
I want to join also.
Add my number in your group and I will just send you the recitation part of it at the end of this session.
Karna Sahab, if I can say, hello, Karna Sahab.
Okay.
Karna Sahab, if I can say that first you have to do this repetition and then Agni Sahab, that's all. Am I right?
This is, you do this, this is just starting with, this is a one. Keep doing this one, you will improve your awareness, you must have seen your mind was moving along with your body.
Agni Sahab, how many times?
This is a, only once,
Agni Sahab,
once in a day,
one. Okay.
once in a day.
But for 5 seconds, 15 seconds, Agni Sahab.
20 seconds, the other thing,
Okay.
you have to send me done, D-O-N-E, so that I come to that, you have done it.
Okay.
Your attendance. Your
Okay.
attendance, school mein, college mein, if your attendance, 75% attendance is not there, you are not given the roll number.
Okay.
Attendance is so important.
Yes.
You just keep marking on my, you keep just keep marking done on my this number, individual number, and it is my
Okay.
responsibility to teach you yoga. If you don't do this done, I will not, I don't take any guarantee.
Okay.
Who is born now?
You just- my number is 9915552339 and mark done, D-O-N-E, and I will make a group of yours who will be marking the attendance. I will make their separate group, but let me see how many people mark the done, and I will take the responsibility to teach the yoga to them. If you are not able to, if you don't want to mark done, then it is not my responsibility.
So please repeat the number.
Double nine.
99. You can see here on the board.
Yeah.
No,
Last
I'm
number
not able-
29.
9915552339.
Thank you, sir.
9915552339.
So Colonel Seva you just keep sending done on this one. I will make a group, only those people who are volunteer to mark their attendance. And I will ensure that you learn the yoga. if बच्चा स्कूल में जाएगा ही नहीं, वो सीखेगा क्या? Admission ले लिया आपने. You have taken the admission today. But tomorrow, if you don't come to the school, you can't learn this ABC 1, 2, 3 like that. So that is the importance of attendance. I give 70% to attendance.
What is the best time to do in the morning?
Anji?
But best time is morning or evening or what?
Once in 24 hours. Once in 24 hours.
Anytime.
Best is while getting up from your. Best is after getting from your bed early in the morning. This feet calm recitation of body part, it will help you to get up from the bed. पहले रात आप कहाँ पूरी दुनिया में घूम रहे हैं? This will help you to activate your feet calm. You will be together and it will be easier for you to go to the bathroom in the morning. You are trying to synchronize your mind thinking process with the feet calf muscles which are taking you toward the bathroom. So this is the first requirement for the senior citizens. They should be capable of bringing their mind onto your feet calf muscle before taking into action. So this is a very basic 0 level yoga, alphabets of yoga, which we must learn to go further. I know most of you know a lot of yoga, but when it comes to the practicality, we are the last. So I don't know much yoga. I know very little yoga, but I'm trying to put into practice. That is all. So if you have learned this one, feet calf, I will proceed further. Just I will tell you certain more exercise how to make your backbone flexible. Those who cannot do further exercise, which I am going to tell you, at least you keep doing this one. Agreed?
Yes.
Raise your hand. If I'm going to tell you further exercise, if you will not be able to do that one, at least you will be doing it this one. Feet, calf muscle, knee, thigh, hips, stomach, chest, finger, arm, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ear, forehead, top of that. Pull up, massage your eyes, massage your face. Do this Agnisar, mark done. This is bare minimum exercise. You keep marking done. Now I am going to tell you further. Okay? I am going to tell you further. Are you ready for the further learning? Or
Yes,
are you
yes.
bored with the exercise?
Yes, yes,
Should I proceed further?
yes.
Okay. Be a little bit more attentive now. There are 3 exercises of our backbone. That is forward bend, backward bend, left twist or right twist. 80% yogic exercise which I have shown you in advanced yoga also, it is your backbone twisting. And I tell you how to do this thing, bringing the flexibility in the backbone. You are as young as your backbone is flexible. If your backbone is flexible, you are young. It is not beauty of the face. It is the beauty of your flexibility of your backbone. And you have to work on it. How to work it on? I tell you. Now just see, I am going to tell you further. Suppose you can see my video.
Yes.
Yes.
Suppose you are getting from your bed. It is like this: feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arm, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of that. Pull up, massage your eye, massage your face. Now here, after this, you will not get up. Just raise your legs like this, knees, right? And spread your arms like this. In the morning while getting up, your knees should go to the left, head right. Exhale, come into the center, then right, exhale, center. Gap in feet, left, center, right, center. Now here, left, center, right, center. Now this, hold the leg like this, rocking 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now laughing and cycling, this one. Up and do this exercise 4 times. But this is about 1 minute 20 second exercise. 1 minute 20 second exercise or so. I think this everybody can do it early in the morning. Once you are doing you are expelling your carbon dioxide from your lungs out. Then you will be taking deep breath like this. This oxygen will go inside your lungs. It will be circulated in the blood to all the parts of your body, including it will go up to the mitochondria cellular level. And this oxygen will be going there. Fatty acid, amino acid, glucose are there. Mitochondria will synthesize into adenosine triphase. You will be immediately active and you will be able to do your routine immediately. So this is a bare minimum exercise. First bare minimum is previous one which I have told you. This is a second level. I will show you once again, and after that I will request you everyone to go on to a mat. Okay, I am going to tell you once again. Feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach, chest, fingers, arm, shoulder, neck, chin, lips, nose, cheeks, eyes, ears, forehead, top of head. Pull up, massage your eyes, massage your face. Raise your knees like this. Left, head right, sans bar, center. Right, center. Gap in the feet, left, center. Right, center. Now close your chest. Left, center. Right, center. Then rocking 1, 2, 3, 4. Then laughing and cycling. Then up, blow out.
आवाज की problem.
So this is a system of 1.5 minutes, and you will be cheerful, active to take any action in the morning. So I request, if anybody got any doubt, kindly ask me. जो आपने जोर नहीं लगाना, नंबर 1 आपने जोर नहीं लगाना. गुरु नानक देव जी बोल गए हैं, आखन जोर चुपे ना जोर, जोर ना मंगन देन ना जोर, जोर ना जीवन मरना जोर, जोर ना राजमन सो, जोर ना सुरती ज्ञान विचार, जोर ना जुक्ति छुटे संसार, जे साथ जोर कर वेखे सोए नानक उत्तम नीच ना कोई. गुरु नानक देव जी के बोल के गए हैं कि जो आदमी जोर लगाता है वो सबसे मूर्ख है. हम अपना बीज जैसे एक ग्राउंड में डाल देते हैं, वीट का, गेहूं का, तो धीरे धीरे अपने आप बड़ा प्लांट बनता है. जितने पेड़ है देखो, कहीं नेचर उसको कहीं नहीं खींचती. तो आवर बॉडी इज लाइक ए सीड. इसको देखना है. ये देखने का सबसे बढ़िया तरीका है, पहले आप फीड को देखें, काफ को देखें. सबसे पहले किसको मैंने फीड क्यों लिया है? जिस दिन हमारे फीट रुक जाएंगे ना पांव, उस दिन हम 4 पैर आ जाएंगे. जब 4 पैर आ गए तो हमारा एक्शन खत्म. तो इसके लिए सबसे पहले किसका नाम लेना है? फीट. देन calf muscle, knees like this. Starting, that is why I start from the feet. इसको ऐसे याद कर लेना है पहले, उसके बाद इसको एक्टिवेट करना है. फिर आपकी बैकबोन हल्की हल्की, जैसे ऐसे उसमें फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आएगी. जो ट्विस्टिंग है दैट इज इजियर बैक फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. तो इसके अलावा ये सिर्फ 1.5 मिनट का मैंने अभी तक आपको बताया है. ये 1.5 मिनट का आप पक्का कर लीजिए. 3 मिनट का, इसको 1.5 मिनट और आगे है. जो 3 मिनट का 1.5 मिनट का कर, अगर आप 1.5 मिनट भी करते रहेंगे, जो आज की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी है इससे कम नहीं होगी कभी भी. क्योंकि हर रोज आप उसको चेक करना शुरू कर देंगे. इसमें पेन आपको होगा नहीं. आवर माइंड रन्स अवे फ्रॉम द पेन. Here there is no pain, so you will be keep doing daily. Once you keep doing daily, you will be expert. और देखना आप थोड़े दिनों में आपकी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी इससे कम नहीं होगी, धीरे धीरे बढ़नी शुरू हो जाएगी. तो then you will be able to take on to second level. तो अभी मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप सभी एक बार अपने कारपेट पर चले जाएं, मैट पर चले जाएंगे. आई विल गिव यू अ डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम हियर so that everybody knows what to do. Okay, lie down on your back. Kindly lie down your back. Kindly lie down your back. आप अगर आप नहीं जाएंगे करेंगे तो उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. Close your eyes. Some people are sitting, watching will not produce any result. You have to lie down. ये एक सर्कस वाला शो नहीं है. दिस इज द थिंग वेयर यू विल हैव टू पार्टिसिपेट. सर्कस में होता है कि हम देखकर चले जाते हैं, आप बोलेंगे कर्नल साहब ऐसे ऐसे करके चला गया, उसका कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. अभी कीप योर आई क्लोज. आप मेरे को जो कर सकते आप चले जाएंगे, आए थे वो
शर्म
ऐसे
लग
करके
जाए
चले गए. आपको कोई फायदा नहीं होगा, मेरे को फायदा हो रहा है क्योंकि आई एम इन एक्शन. कीप योर आई क्लोज. Feet, calf muscle, knees, thighs, hips, stomach. Massage your eyes, massage your face.
Yeah.
Now knee standing. आपने घुटने खड़े कर लें, घुटने खड़े कर लें. Like this. Knees left, head right, center, right, center. पाँव में गैप कर लें इस प्रकार. Left, center, right, center. चेस्ट के पास ले आए घुटनों को. लेफ्ट, सेंटर, राइट, सेंटर. पकड़ लें और रॉकिंग. 1 2 3 4. नाउ लाफिंग एंड साइकिलिंग. सिर ऊपर उठाना है. टर्न लेफ्ट. घुटने के ऊपर हाथ रखें और पेट को आगे पीछे करें. और अपना यू कैन गो टू द बाथरूम आफ्टर दैट इन द मॉर्निंग. दिस इज हाउ 1.5 मिनट का मैंने आपको आज बताया है. ये मैं आपको 3 मिनट का बताना था. अभी मैंने देखा है सिर्फ 25%, only 25% people went on to the mat. Rest of the people, they were just watching it like they were watching the TV. So yoga is a one-to-one. Actually, the people come to me at my place here. They learn here physically. This is a lesson of 3 days. In 3 days, I teach them. I make them perfect in 3 days in Kapurthala here. Or the people, they call me at the different places. I organize for 3 days. And in 3 days, I give the practical everything and I make them perfect in 3 days. So I don't know. I have seen only few people, 20-25% only who are on the mat, they were doing it. The rest of the people, they were just watching it. But मैं आपको एक ही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा.
We are watching to do afterwards.
Anji?
We are watching now and we are watching and observing and we'll do it afterwards.
No, after that nobody will be doing it. Only those people tried it. Only those who tried it, they will be doing it. The rest of the people will not be doing it.
Very easy exercises.
Easy, yeah.
Just
simple.
tell me, I am telling you, I am not making you to do very hard exercise. I request you
Very
to lie
simple,
down.
very simple.
People tell them get up and do. I am telling you lie down on your
Very
bed.
simple and easy
I will tell
exercises.
you how to do. And
Easy, without strain.
You are not even lying down.
Yeah.
Lying down. If you are not lying down, so
See,
simple
the prob-
exercise.
The problem is lying means that Zoom and all, we are only just practicing now. We may miss it. Yeah, that's the thing. Otherwise, we can do it. It's not a circus. Don't mistake us.
During my talk,
बहुत आसान था, बहुत बढ़िया था.
बढ़िया था. Yeah.
तो अगर आपने किसी ने कोई मेरा नंबर नोट कर लीजिए. आप जो मेरे को जो डन करेगा उसको मैं ग्रुप में डाल दूंगा. उसको मैं वीडियो इसकी भेज दूंगा 1.5 मिनट की. जो इसकी वीडियो मैं भेजूंगा और जो ग्रुप में मेरे को इसमें डन स्पेशली करेंगे मैं इंडिविजुअल उनको भेजता रहूंगा. आई विल मेक देम इनटू माय ग्रुप. बट करो. अगर डन नहीं आएगा नॉट इंटरेस्टेड, वीडियो विल नॉट बी सेंड.
Done, very well, done.
How to do, Agni sir?
अभी ऐसा है जे आज 1.5 मिनट का किया है. 1.5 मिनट का मैं तभी बताऊंगा अगर ये 1.5 मिनट का आप मेरे को परफेक्ट कुछ दिनों के बीच में करके दिखाएंगे तो. इज इट राइट?
Yes.
डिफिकल्ट नहीं, आसान है, चलेगा.
Yes, sir.
आई रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल, मेरी तरफ से आप बेनती है कि अगर मैं किसी के शान के बरखिलाफ कोई बात बोल दी हो तो काइंडली मेरे को ऑफ करना प्लीज. और हम ऐसे मिलते हैं. नहीं,
Very nice.
You can ask me.
Excellent.
You
can ask me any question within my I am just a nursery class student, मतलब teacher student discussion type. मैं कोई बहुत ज्यादा योग नहीं जानता, पर मेरा ये है कि पहले हम नर्सरी से शुरू तो करें, आगे पहुंच जाएंगे. आगे आपको कोई और मिल जाएगा कोई बड़ा कराने वाला. तो mine is only nursery basic alphabets.
How to do, Agni sir?
हाँ जी.
How to do, Agni sir?
वो अग्नि सार इज जस्ट ब्लो आउट. आप हवा बाहर निकाले एंड फूक नहीं मारना बाद में. that is a Kapalbhati sort of thing. It is just blow out, pull the stomach back and leave it. Pull back, pull back, pull back like this 4 times. ज्यादा नहीं करना.
अच्छा.
ज्यादा नहीं करना. ओनली मॉर्निंग एक बार करना है. ज्यादा करेंगे आप दर्द होगा, आप छोड़ देंगे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना जिसमें आपको पेन हो. These exercises should be all observation of your body. इसको मैं जो बॉडी पार्ट है इसको मैं एक बार पंजाबी में भी बोल देता हूँ. अगर कोई आपने पंजाबी जानता समझता हो थोड़ा बहुत. पंजाबी में है पैर, पिन्नी, गोडा, पट, ढिड, छाती, हाथ, बावां, मोढे, धौन, ठोडी, बुੱਲ, नक, गल्ला, अखां, कान, मत्था, सिर, ढक, अखां ਦੀ ਮਾਲਿਸ਼.
Can we do it? दो बार
आपकी तरफ से आना चाहिए. तुम
दो बार
बोल रहा है भुवन वन भाकर.
शाम.
हाँ जी.
इसको 2 बार
Raghupati sir will do it. Asi can do it.
Only once and do it few days. I request
Asi can do.
only once and all the attendance done. That is all.
Only सुबह करना है.
Earlier better.
Earlier
Immediately
better.
after getting up bed it is a better. Otherwise I request once in 24 hours. So simple. पर करना रोज है.
Is it to be done in?
हाँ जी.
It is to be done in empty stomach.
Stomach. Early stomach is better.
Okay.
Anyone want to ask anything, please? मैं 4 चीजें बतानी चाहता हूँ. आंखें बंद करके रखना है, जोर नहीं लगाना, ज्यादा नहीं करना, अटेंडेंस लगाना नहीं भूलना. 4 things.
Excellent.
Can you please repeat the 4 things?
Here I finish my today's session. Anybody got any doubt may ask me. Otherwise, I request Kiran ji or Gopal ji and Sukhdeepak ji if he is here. Thank you very much for making me to introducing all these senior citizens. My jai hind to everyone. किसी की फरका को मैं बात बोल दी हो तो please माफ करना. Thank you very much.
When knee is bad, what to do? When knee is bad, what to do?
हाँ जी.
Hello.
हाँ जी.
Thank you
When
very
the
much.
knee is bad, what to do? When knee doesn't fold or knee is cartilage gone, what to do?
Not understood what is said. Sir, anybody can make me
घुटना जब अगर घुटना नहीं काम करे, घुटना में ज्यादा तकलीफ हो तो क्या करना चाहिए?
लेट के आप घुटने का पहले देखिए कि आप अपना वेट मैनेजमेंट करें. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज योर वेट. यू कैन कॉल मी लेटर ऑन इंडिविजुअली प्लीज. नोट माय नंबर.
Now, when do we send our numbers to join the group?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. I will forward to each group.
Okay, sir, because I too want to join.
Yeah,
So
even
please
I too.
put my name, Radha Madhavan, Pune.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. You taught us for
Okay.
1.5 minute exercise, you said, correct? 1.5 minutes exercise, sir.
Yes, I will forward only to those who will be putting this done.
No, but you had some 3 minutes, 3 minutes yoga. That is what the title was, 3 minutes yoga.
Yeah, because yoga is so vast. पहले आप 3 मिनट 1.5 मिनट करो. जब एक कर लेंगे मैं आपको 1.5 मिनट का और बताऊंगा. इस 1.5 मिनट में करने से आप बोलेंगे बहुत, हम इससे ज्यादा नहीं करना. There are people who don't want to do more even than 1.5 minutes.
No, it is these exercises are very nice to start the day. So I thought something more, 1.5 minutes more you will teach us.
Okay, I will teach that one also because the time is limited. पीछे से आप मेरे को आ रहा है कि अभी टाइम हो गया है, बाद में करें.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
you very
much.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, salute.
During your valuable time, I hope that this will be.
Thank you.
Energy, we give you big salute.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Energy, we give you a big salute.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Infantry
you.
salute.
Vote of thanks, Kiran ji.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Madhu.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, friends. It's time to end
Okay,
the
thank you,
session.
sir.
The vote of thanks has to be given to today's guest. I'm really grateful to Mr. Colonel Seva Singh, who simply taught us steps of 3 minute scientific yoga. It was very useful in terms of the geriatric care. Really, we enjoyed a lot the sessions, and I would like to emphasize Mr. Colonel Seva Singh. Now, he demonstrate a lot of different kinds of yoga for the seniors. Really, I hope all the senior must have been they enjoyed during the session. So I really thanks to Madhu who anchored the program, and I thanks Mr. Astana who welcomed the guest. I also thanks Dr. Sujay Joshi and head office teams who supported us to organize such a wonderful program for Pune chapter. And big thanks to go to all the dignitaries from different city and center that access this program and make us grand evening with 3 minutes scientific yoga. Really, thank you so much, sir. It was a wonderful opportunity for our senior citizens who learn a lot and they upgraded their knowledge in terms of scientific yoga. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Always-
Shivaji.